I'm going to help you identify your doorbell transformer. You probably just upgraded to the Ring Video Doorbell Pro or the Nest Hello, and you've realized you need to upgrade your transformer to a 24 volt. So first of all, this is a typical transformer. You'll see the low voltage wires coming off of it. Has terminals where the two wires are connected, and it goes into a little box. This is the transformer, by the way. And then usually it goes into either, another junction box, or it could go into your electrical panel. It could be either on the bottom or on the top of the electrical panel. It could also be in a light fixture up above. I've seen them come off of those. If you've got a finished utility room, you may have the transformer may be coming off of the electrical box like this. Then you'd have the two wires coming off that goes into a little jacket like this. Could be like that. If your utility room is finished, more than likely it's not going to be hidden. It's going to be sitting out on a junction box. But who knows? The builder could have hid it from you, depending on when it was built. So the transformer could either be silver, it could be gold. Less likely it would be a plug-in transformer, but if it is, this is very rare for existing doorbells. But if it is, you would want to look at outlets. The most common place is in a utility room. The most likely place for the transformer is going to be in a utility room. That's where I would hunt first. Somewhere where you have your breaker panel, you have maybe your furnace, maybe the water heaters in there. It also could be where your laundry is at. That could be a possibility. Anyways, you can just start hunting. Oh, I did want to mention, if you did have one of these, it would have the low voltage wires like this coming off of these two spots, and it would look plugged in like that. Anyways, I will show you the examples now. Here is one example of a transformer that's mounted to a junction box that is tied into the electrical panel. You can see that it has the low voltage wires coming off of it, and it's mounted to a junction box. Another example is a transformer that's attached directly underneath the electrical panel, and it's actually wired to it. So you can see the two low voltage wires coming off of it, and the transformer is right there. Another example would be a transformer that's connected to a box that has a light on it that could be up in the ceiling. That's a possibility. That's typical in older homes. I wanted to just thank you for coming and looking. I do have more videos on other doorbell issues with the Ring Video Doorbell, and I'm putting on some Nest Hello troubleshooting and things probably next week. So thanks for watching.